Hi guys, my name's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you with me while I clean bits and pieces of my house. If you're new to my channel, I make lifestyle videos including cooking, cleaning, hacks, organization, as well as personal finance and some parenting videos as well. If this is something that you're interested in, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on bell notifications so that you don't ever miss when I upload. I always start by making my bed. Anytime I'm going to be cleaning my house, or even on days that I'm not cleaning my house, the first thing that I do every single morning is make my bed. It is amazing how much it truly transforms a room just by making a bed. I also read somewhere that making your bed is one thing you can guarantee that you can accomplish every day. So even if you feel like the rest of the day was a total bust, you can have that satisfaction of knowing you at least made your bed. My husband loves to leave things on this nightstand and just kind of let them accumulate throughout the evening. So a lot of times he'll move them and I don't do it, but if for whatever reason he's in a hurry in the morning and he doesn't have an opportunity to clean this space, that is something that I will just tidy up for him. I also do a load of laundry. I try to do a load of laundry every single day, but at the very least, one time each week, I make sure that all of our laundry is caught up. So if necessary, I will do kind of a laundry power session and just go through, sort everything out, and do all of the laundry so that it's caught up. Anytime I'm cleaning a space, I have one area where I allow all of the things to accumulate so that I'm not running back and forth between rooms. I just collect everything and move it to the end of my bed. And then at the end, once the room's clean, I'll move it all to the rooms that it belongs in. I am editing this video about a month after I filmed it. And looking back, we have recently ripped all of this carpet out. You can see that it was pretty gross. Maybe it's hard to tell in these videos, but this carpet was disgusting. So we've since tore it all out and put in hardwood floors. Anytime I'm doing a big cleaning project, I like to start in the back of my house and work my way forward. So this bathroom is in our hallway. I'm just going through and picking up the odds and ends from my kids getting ready in the morning, spraying it down with some cleaner, and just freshening up the space. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand when things are on my kitchen countertops or in my kitchen sink. So in the morning after breakfast, I always go through and make sure that I tidy up the kitchen so that it doesn't just continue to accumulate the mess throughout the day. One of the cleaning habits that I'm in is running my dishwasher every night before going to bed. I will then unload it every morning and put our breakfast dishes right into the dishwasher. I will run it even if the dishwasher is not full. This is pretty rare, but on an occasion, I will still run it at night even if it's not full, simply because if I don't run it at night, my dishwasher typically goes for about 3 hours, and things will really stack up in the kitchen sink, which is just a personal pet peeve of mine. As I mentioned earlier, this video was filmed about a month ago. It was filmed well before the United States had this overwhelming concern about the coronavirus. My house is never like this anymore. I have 3 children that are now home and out of school. When I was filming this video, the only person that was home was my 2-year-old, and he was down for some morning quiet time. So I kind of look back at this video and I am a little bit sad by how much has changed in just 1 month's period of time. It doesn't feel nearly as important anymore to just have this immaculately clean house all the time. I'm trying to give myself some grace and realize that I have some shifted priorities at the moment, and making sure that my house is perfectly immaculate all the time is just not happening with the same level of consistency that it was before. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the dishes. Once I wash this pan, I will be done cleaning my kitchen, and I will show you what it all looks like before moving on to the next area of my home. The final area I'm going to clean for this video is just my front room. There were just a couple of things that were out of place and the pillows needed to be straightened up. I hope that this video provided you with some sort of motivation to tackle some areas in your house that need to be cleaned or freshened up. I also want to reiterate how much us moms need to give ourselves some grace right now and know that we have a lot that we're facing. We have a lot that we have to endure and try to overcome. A lot of us are trying to work from home. We're trying to homeschool our kids. We're trying to practice social distancing. And while a clean house for me makes me feel great and it makes me feel like I have at least part of my life in order, it isn't the most important thing right now, and that's gonna have to just be okay too. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss when I upload. I hope that you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye.